All right, now it's time to create our scratch art. So you should have a piece of paper that you colored with oil pastel and painted 2 layers of black paint onto. The next step is to figure out what you want to create for your scratch art. So for my example here, I made a picture of Snoopy with this kind of cool wavy pattern in the background. You have the option to print out a picture that you want to create. You can make your own design on paper, or you can draw your design directly onto your scratch art paper. For my Snoopy design, I used what's called a graphite transfer, which means on the back of my picture, I colored first with pencil, and then I laid it on top of my paper and I traced over Snoopy, and it created an outline for me to trace over. So I'll show you how to do that. For my example over here, this is something that I drew myself. So you could use your own drawing or you could print out your own picture. So first thing you want to do is on the back, take your pencil and you're going to, using the side of your pencil, color over your design. Okay, so whatever you drew there, make sure that you color pencil over all of it. Okay. Once you have covered all of the back of your drawing with pencil, then we will flip it over and use this to trace our drawing onto our scratch art paper. Okay, so flip it over like this, lay it down where I want it to go, and then I'm just going to trace over it. And I'll show you how it's kind of pressing into the paper. I'll just do the letter A to show you the example. If I lift it off, I have a very light outline there that you can kind of see. So then, once I've traced my whole design on here, you're going to take a wooden stylus, and there's different sizes, and you'll use this to scratch over your lines. So it makes it a little easier to have a pencil line to follow along with. Okay, and as you're scratching, it's going to scratch away that top layer of black paint and reveal the colors that you colored underneath.